Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making sure your device runs iOS 14 or later. Older systems won't support the same shortcuts. Once Safari is open, go straight to the exact web page you want to pin as an app so the icon points to that page. Tap the share icon at the bottom or top of the screen to reveal actions. This step is essential because it exposes the Add to Home Screen option you'll use next, and it links the page metadata to the new Now choose Add to Home Screen from the share sheet. This is the core action that converts a page into an app-like shortcut. You'll see a preview with a default icon and title. Make sure to edit the name to something concise so it fits on a single line, and check the icon preview. Safari pulls the site image or favicon for you. After editing, tap Add in the top right. The shortcut appears on your home screen like an app, ready to launch the page directly. Once the shortcut is on your home screen, press and hold to move it into folders or the dock for quick access, and test by opening it. It should load Safari directly to that page. If you see a blank or generic icon, make sure the original page fully loaded and contained a favicon. Reload the page and repeat Add to Home Screen. If things still go wrong, clear Safari cache or try a different page. Make sure to use long press to edit or remove the shortcut afterward.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.